Hi guys, I'm Courtney Lang. This is Brandon McLeod, and then our partner Kirk Smith is out sick today, but he's also working on this project. And our project is called Kitchen Assistant. So, yeah, basically what Kitchen Assistant does is like it stores your ingredients, your recipes, and your shopping list all in one centralized location. We also will have a feature where you'll be able to add recipes to a recipe list, add the ingredients you have in your kitchen, and just keep track of what you have and what you can make, like all in one spot. You'll also be able to filter recipes based on ingredients. So say, for instance, you have like chicken and garlic. You can say you have chicken and garlic, and it will bring back recipes that use those ingredients. Additionally, you'll be able to create a shopping list. And when you browse recipes, they'll tell you what you don't have and what you can get, and you can add it to your shopping list. And then finally, we'll be able to search recipes that are listed on other websites, so like allrecipes.com, things like that.
Right. So this is the part that Kirk knows really well. I'll try to explain it what I understand. So we're using Django for our website. Django has a model view controller architecture. The models are really what's in the database. The default database language is SQLite. We're sticking with that. Then views are the site functionality and our web pages. Our pages are written in HTML, CSS, really nice. And then controller is how Django turns our Python functions into our URLs. So this is our database structure right now. It's really difficult to see. We have a user profile, users, user ingredients, and our user recipes. These use the foreign key feature in Django, which means that they reference the user right there. And then, all right, we have So I'm going to register as a new user right now. And you can see. All right, so I'll just be Brandon's email is whatever. .com. Password. That not work? I have a backup. Okay. This is not adding beautifully for us. But over here, we can see the shopping list over here. This is basic HTML text area. What we want to do in the future is, if you tap this or click this, it'll cross it out on there, and then that'll be added into your ingredients for your user. Down here, chain view would optimize this for if you're on a mobile device. The idea is we make it a website, and essentially it's a web app, so we don't need to worry about development into into the different things. Because I have a Windows phone. No one makes anything for Windows phones. So, over here, if I can get over there. Over here, we have our buttons. So what can I make would be the section where it looks through all the ingredients you have and all your recipes and says, okay, based on what you have already, this is what you can do. Find a recipe, we'll search online, and then browse recipes will show you all of your recipes to search through. So let's make a recipe. Limes, coconuts. Step one, put the lime, coconut. And then step two, pick it up. I think that's what it said. And then you have the recipe. And so if we go to browse our recipes, hey look, we know how to make a lime coconut. And that's pretty much what we have so far. We'll go back to our presentation. So, screenshots of what we have. So, going forward, I looked back at our proposed schedule for this project, and we're behind. We are quite a bit behind because we spent a lot of time figuring out how Django works. Unfortunately, we didn't use our mentor as much as we could have. And I plan on going forward trying to catch up to what we have. So in the future, we would have the filtering complete. We have our browsing and recipe finding complete. I want to have that done by our second presentation, or as much of that as we can have done. Then a big problem I see popping up is the units problem, which would be the kind of like different kinds of units you find in cooking. So how do you make sure you have you know, a whole chicken versus 2 pounds of chicken? These little small items that you need to worry about. It's kind of, it's weird. I don't know how I'm going to fix it yet. I'll find a way. And so, special thanks to Professor Morthy, Professor Goldschmidt, Sean Sullivan, RCOS, my mom.